it into two. Fold it into half, like a triangle. Then you just fold, split it once. This is it. This is the small part that I can get to the back of my head. Well, I'll just split the front just once. Can you see it? I've pleated it just once. And then the short will go up. Why the long one will come down. That same spot, I'll take it to go around again. Right now, look at my front. My front is not beautiful at all. But I have to arrange it with my hand. So this is it. Look at the back.